Getting around New Orleans. Welcome everyone on this Vegas NOLA Man. Riding the number 48 City Park Museum streetcar from Canal Street at the French Quarter to City Park. The stop where I'm boarding the streetcar is located on Canal Street near Charter Street and Camp Street. Be sure you are boarding the correct streetcar by checking the marquee on the front or asking the operator if this streetcar goes to City Park. At the time of this recording, the fare is $1.25 and exact change is required. You can also pay your fare by downloading the La Pass app to your phone. The La Pass app also features maps, schedules, and departures in real time for buses, streetcars, and the ferry. Save money on Uber fares and make getting around New Orleans easier. The number 48 streetcar line runs from Harrah's Casino on Canal Street to City Park and the Museum of Art. Currently, the operating hours for the streetcar is from 4:31 a.m. until 10:58 p.m. and it runs approximately every 22 minutes. Ride time is approximately 33 minutes depending on traffic. As we roll along Canal Street and leave the French Quarter, this area here was known as Storyville, the red light district from 1897 until 1917. It was established by the New Orleans City Council to help control prostitution in the city. You also pass through the Tulane-Gravier neighborhood, a mostly residential area known for its diversity and nightlife. Next, you pass through the Mid-City neighborhood, a generally local middle-class residential area with fewer tourist destinations than throughout the city. Its restaurants and bars rely heavily on local clientele, giving the area a quirky flavor. As we approach our final destination, City Park and the Museum of Art, here's Bayou St. John. This natural waterway was instrumental in the planning and development of the city of New Orleans. It provided a back door and easier access to the Gulf of Mexico and the rest of the world. The last stop for the 48th Streetcar is City Park. Located inside City Park is the Museum of Art, the Botanical Gardens, the Sculpture Gardens, and so much more. Be sure to check out my upcoming video on City Park. I'll put a link in the description box below. Hey, like what I'm doing? Show support and hit the super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee or become a channel member and receive access to exclusive content. I put a link in the description box below. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free! Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.